Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and hat trick break number 122 of 1314 Titanium. Here's our list of winners. Starting at the top, we have Dick. New bidder, welcome. Jack, Aaron, Todd, Terry. There was 7 free teams in this breaks. The double asterisk means the team was free. First one went to Brian, the Hawks. Brian also had the Wings for free. TRK's in there. SMG, Saskrider had the Kings for free. Phyllis had the Habs for free. SMG had the Sens. Terry had the Sharks free. And Jack had the Canucks for free. So we're about to printing. My ink needs to be replaced, obviously, pretty soon. All right. So before we get started, a couple bonuses to go over. So first of all, new guy bonus. It's not listed in the breaks, but anytime I have a new bidder in my breaks, they're going to go home with a couple cards regardless if they get hit. Oh, I just got all blurry here. There we go. So Nick, you're going to get a couple Leafs cards. First card you're going to get a Phaneuf Game Worn Gear. And you're going to get an Ashton Artifacts Rookie, numbered out of 999. There you go, a couple Leafs for you, just for playing. All right, so first bonus on the list is the buy 5, get 1 bonus. So if you buy 5 teams, you get 1 free in the next customer appreciation break. So 2 people had 5 plus today. That's Aaron and Jack. You will each get a slot in that break, customer appreciation box break number 19. And next bonus is the viewer's choice bonus. So you guys are going to name 2 players. If any of those players come up in this box of titanium on any card, I will open a couple bonus packs each time. So name your players now. I'll take the first 2 I see. Kessel and Ovi, that was easy. Ovi is just killing it in goals. Anybody look at the goal totals lately? He's like 15 goals up on the next guy. It's crazy. All right. Let's get to this box, shall we? Stay tuned for trivia at the end, as always. Serial is 206 29 46 79. And good luck. There we go. 5 packs of titanium. Dominion bid is live. Not a whole lot left. Check those out. We got plenty more bins where that one came from. All right, we're looking for Kessel and Ovi in any cards. And starting out, we have a Landeskog. Got a Stamkos. First hit is going to the Sharks. Oh, we get a silver metallic marks. Nice looking card. That's a Dan Boyle. I'll mark that hit for Terry. That was your free team. And that's a Backstrom. Back 2. All right, we got a Brian Elliott. Kerry Ramo for the Nashville Predators. And Aaron, you got yourself a Philip Forsberg auto. Titanium Reserve. Nice looking card. Mark the hit. And that's a Bufflin. Pack 3. Setaguchi, a Getzlaff, Bobrovsky, and going to the Sharks, hit number 2 for Terry. That's a Patrick Marleau Game Worn Gear. we got a good one in here. Markstrom. Filppula. I'm going to go from the back. That's a Spezza. And nice. That is a Max Reinhardt away jersey. Numbered 32 of 50. Going to the Calgary Flames and Todd. Nice looking card. Last pack. Then bonus time. Eberle, Carey Price, going to Edmonton, and Aaron, that's a Colton Tubert. Metallic marks. 3 autos. 4 autos. And an Andrew Ladd. All right. That is the box. Clean up here. Okay, so next up, the next bonus is what we call the Hat Trick Game Used bonus. One slot is for sale, the other one is given away at random. The for sale one always gets to choose first. And soon as a mem card comes up in this box of Upper Deck Series 1, that person gets every single one of the cards in this large pile. So, I'll just quickly burn through them here. We got a rookie roll call of Dougie Hamilton, Shining Star Neal, Saka Koivu canvas, Craig Anderson canvas, Brian Elliott, Jamie Benn, JVR, a Dumba Young Gun, a bunch of MVPs, Galchenyuk rookie, a Mike Green patch, a Ryan Ellis patch, Ultimate Debut Threads, a Chris Drury patch from Artifacts, a Joe Thornton, numbered out of 97, jersey number, Team Canada, Gartner, John Gabriel Pajot Young Gun, a Kessel canvas, a Howard Chuck, an Anders Lee rookie, a Francis, a Duncan Keith canvas, a Matt Nito, and a Grant Fuhrer. So quite the epic haul for somebody that gets the first of 2 game used cards. Big stack of cards, yeah. All right, so Aaron is not online, I assume? Nope. So I'm going to pick a pack at random for you, Aaron. If there is a mem card in this pack, you win that giant stack, and I start it over. See what we got. And whatever's in here, if it's not, goes into the stack. That is not a mem. That's a Thomas Vanek canvas. That goes into the pile. All right. So now I'm going to draw one at random, and somebody in this break gets to choose which pack they want. If you're online, otherwise I'll choose it at random. And maybe you can win that giant stack of cards. There are 2 mem cards in each box, and I have not pulled either one yet, and we are over halfway through the box. So, gonna do this via the Plinko board. Dropping down, slot number 7. So for Nick, who hasn't seen the Plinko board yet, basically, I'm caught. Basically at the top we have numbers 1 to 30. And then all the teams are at the bottom. To give away stuff, I roll the dice and it determines where to drop the puck. Drop the puck. And whatever team it lands on wins. In this case, it is Colorado. And Colorado is Jack. Is Jack online? No. Jack is not online, so I'm going to draw a pack at random for Jack for the Hat Trick Game Used bonus. See what we get. Oh, I don't think we get a mem. Weber, Hedman, Hall, Got a young gun. Nicholas Jensen. So that stack lives another day. So each week I put a couple of my own cards in the pile, and whatever come out of these packs until we get a mem goes into the pile too. So that's why it's built up so quick, and that's why it's so huge. So check those out next week. As you can see, there's only maybe 10 left, if that. Stays alive. All right, next bonus is going streaking. So how streaking works is if you buy into 10 breaks in a row, you get yourself a free team in a prime break with all 10 bonuses. One slot's been given away in that so far, and that is Anaheim. Anaheim. So there's a person that reached number 10 today. That's Brian. Brian 22, or Beans as everyone calls him. So congrats, man. Thank you for the support. You have your 10th break in a row, hat trick break in a row today. And I will give you your free team in just 2 minutes here. I'm just going to update the rest of the people that are very close. So we have Phyllis and Todd. You're both at 9. So you buy in the next week and you each get yourself a free prime team. And then Aaron and SMG, you're both at 3. And then there's a whole whack of people at 2. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to give Brian away his free prime team. And it can be any team but Anaheim, because Anaheim's already gone. So that happens via Plinko board. Oh, dropping down 30. And for Nick, I didn't show you this yet, but we have Legends bonuses. If it goes into the B at the end of the board, I give away whatever the bonus is on that side. So this side, it's a Dion autograph puck. And this side, it's a Joe Sakic benchmark stick. All right, so dropping down 30 for Brian's free prime team. Here we go, Brian. Tampa Bay. Not bad. Get yourself a stammer or something. Tampa Bay and Anaheim now gone. So I'll give away 15 slots in that and auction the other 15 just like last one. And yeah. So also to go with the streaking bonuses, get out of jail free. It helps you continue a streak if you miss a break. Drop that the same way. 29. So this week's get out of jail free card is going to the Habs and Phyllis. Phyllis. Free team from last week's hat trick you had. Not bad. Okay. Next up, we have Legendary Luck. I have 4 cups. Underneath these cups are numbers 1, 2, 4. This is cup 1, this is cup 4. Select a cup now, and that's how many times we will drop. Let's go with the 3. Boo, 1. Fail. I never do 1, though. 1's no fun. All right, so call your numbers now for the Plinko board, and you want to call the last numbers on each side. I see 1. Going for the Sakic. I have a nice stack of Legends bonuses to replace these with, so I'm hoping a couple of them go very soon. Nothing there. 1 more. I'll go with Nick's 2. New guy luck usually comes through. There we go. Dropping down 2. Oh, looks good, looks good. Oh, shoot. Boo. Let's do 1 more. $30. Here we go. Going in the wrong way tonight. All right, so next up we have trivia, but before that, I always like to give something back if the auctions do half decent, and they did, even though there were 7 free teams. So you guys tonight are going to receive one absolutely free box of Totally Certified from this year. You have the team, the card, you get a card in this, it's all yours. All right, so I'll read the serial number off just for something to do. NE 1905 66168. All right. This is the best, my opinion, the best product for free breaks because there are about a dozen hits in a box. So there's lots of chances for people to get stuff. Hope it's a good one. And then we'll do trivia. All right. We got a base, a rookie card. That's going to Detroit and Brian. Xavier Ouellette. And the Stammer base. And going to the Rangers and Jack. That's a Derek Stepan. Pack 2. Bergeron, a Hall. Going to the Yotes. And Nick. There you go. You got yourself a Chris Brown auto. Rookie auto. Very good. Didn't get something in the main box, but you got yourself a couple new guy cards and a hit in this box. And also Danny DeKaiser going to Detroit and Brian. Pack 3. Get a Sid the Kid base. A Smith going to Minnesota and Aaron. That's a Darcy Kemper rookie. And a Sagan base and rookie roll call. Mikhail Grigorenko going to Buffalo and Aaron. And the thick one on the bottom. Yeah, we got something thick and nice in here. So we got a Phaneuf. This will be the 4-hit pack. We got a Carey Price going to Phyllis. That's the blue parallel numbered out of 50. We have going to the Penguins at Aaron. That's a Eric Hartzell rookie. And going to the Preds and Aaron. That's a Roman Josi auto. Stuff is hit crazy. And a base. And going to the Sharks and Terry. Another hit for your free team, numbered 15 of 50. You got yourself a rookie roll call, Matt Irwin Prime. Real thick. Nice looking card. All right. Thanks, folks. Hope you enjoyed the free box. Some hits for people that didn't have any before. Now, let's get to trivia. So I always do 4 trivia questions at the end of the break. You don't have to participate in the break to play. But if you're not in the break, I will wait until you get a hit before I will ship the cards you win. Okay? So the first question of trivia this evening is for a Jason Arnott auto from Skybox. Skybox auto from Fleer. Jason Arnott. Question is, which OHL team did Patrick Kane play for? He played 1 season in the OHL, won Rookie of the Year with 145 points. What team was that? You guys are close. Not quite, though. London Knights, Phyllis. Nice job, Phyllis. London Knights is right. Patrick Kane played one season for the London Knights in, I think, 2006 or 7. 145 points, Rookie of the Year for OHL. Then he went first overall the following season in the draft. All right, card number 2. Conacher Young Gun. Good young player. Young Gun. Question is, what year did the Canucks enter the NHL in league expansion? Downtown. The Canucks fan gets that one. 1970. Got yourself a Conacher there downtown. Nice job. Next question is for Charlie Coyle, Rookie Materials from SPX. Question is related to the last question. So what other team joined the NHL in 1970 with the Canucks? There were 2 expansion teams. Who was the second team? Buffalo is right. Downtown. Todd must be asleep. Todd usually gets all the questions. There you go. Get yourself a Coyle Rookie Materials. And the last question is a name that player. And that's going to be for Rookie Materials from Upper Deck. That's a Damian Brunner. Like these cards. All right, so I'm going to bring up a player, and you guys are going to name them. First one that names them wins a card. Try not to be too hypnotized by his beauty. Downtown again. Too many Canucks questions, I guess. Downtown, cleaning house. Eddie Lack. Swede, now Vancouver starting goaltender. I think he started 12 or 13 games in a row. Not that he's been winning them, but he's their new number 1. All right. That is the break, folks. Thank you very much, as always. I will be back next week. Same time, same place. If the Dominion's not sold, check it out. If it is, I will be back in a couple minutes to break it. All right. Thank you, and good night.